Mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang. Oh, we hangin', we bang, oh, we bangin'. What's up, everybody? Happy Friday, you guys. Happy Friday and happy Saturday to you, because that's when y'all are gonna get this video. You guys, I am so excited and just, oh my gosh, y'all. I decided that from now on, whatever I'm craving, that is what I'm gonna eat, okay? And I'm gonna mix y'all's requests and suggestions in between there, all right? But please, before y'all start this video, please thumbs it up, subscribe if you haven't already for everyday videos, all right? I know y'all are so happy that I'm back in my scenery, huh? I know y'all are. Anyway, all right, so I am so hungry, y'all. Like, I have been craving Dairy Queen for like, oh Lord, I don't even know how long, y'all. Like, I have just been craving it like crazy. And I noticed that all this time I've been eating at Dairy Queen, I've never tried their steak fingers. So I decided to get like a kid's meal so I could try the steak fingers, and I got a belt buster. I got the meal, and they have a new blizzard called the Guardians Galaxy Volume 2. It's like the Marvel Comics or whatever. Anyway, this blizzard has, they made cookies and brownies together, chopped them up, and they put them in here, okay? Yummers. And then there's like chunks of chocolate and all kind of stuff, y'all. But I have to hurry up and get to it because... yeah, it's gonna melt. Anyway, I'm gonna give y'all a close-up real quick. All right, y'all. So this is what it looks like. All right. That's what it looks like. Yummers. All right, y'all. So let's give this a taste. Mmm. 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 Yum. This is so good. Mmm. Y'all, it is delicious. Who wants a yummy bite? Oh my God. Take a yummy bite of this, y'all. It's so good. Yum, 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 yum. Take a yummy bite. Yes, y'all. It is delicious. Y'all, those chunks of cookie and brownie, like they're mixed. Chunks of chocolate chip cookie and brownie. It's insane. Oh my God. With chunks of yeah, I'm about to choke. Chunks of chocolate, y'all. Wow. That's delicious. All right. Now, y'all, I'm about to get right into this belt buster. Yes, belt buster with absolutely everything on it, y'all. Absolutely everything. Y'all, look at this. Look at this burger. Like, seriously? Like, really? Didn't that look delicious? Who wants a yummy bite? Even before I take one. Like, do y'all see this? Like, take a yummy bite. Take a yummy bite, y'all. Oh my God. Delicious yummy bite. Yes, y'all. Oh my God. Whew. I cannot wait to get into it. I've been just dreaming about biting into one of these, y'all. Like, no lie. I've just been dreaming about it. It's like the weirdest thing. Anyway, y'all let me know what y'all are eating with me tonight. Y'all, Dairy Queen has the best burgers ever. Mmm. Mmm. This is what I've been wanting, y'all. This is it right here. Like, oh my gosh. Mmm. Mmm. God, it tastes like a burger that somebody's mama done made, like at the house. I'm so serious. Like, let me know if y'all have a Dairy Queen where you live. When you go to Dairy Queen, what do you get? What do you order? Let me know in the comments. Mmm. God is good. And God is good too, y'all. Ain't he good? Oh my gosh. And yeah, y'all. And I got me a cherry limeade today. Yes, y'all. A cherry limeade. I didn't even know they had cherry limeade, y'all. Oh my God. It's delicious. Delicious. Oh my gosh. Let me give y'all up close and personal bite of this burger. Who wants a close-up yummy bite? Oh my God, y'all, it's so good. It is so good, y'all. Yes, let me give y'all one of these onion rings. Keep your eyes on the burger. Oh, look at this onion ring, y'all. Look at this friggin' onion ring. Let me bite it for y'all. Who wants a yummy bite of that? Take a yummy bite. Take a yummy bite. I'm gonna take a bite of burger. Look at that. That's the best bite right there. Get it. Yes. Y'all, these are the best onion rings, hands down. Whose onion rings crunch like that? Who? I don't know about onion rings that crunch like that. This is some honey mustard sauce. Y'all, I'm so hungry. Y'all make sure y'all go over to my family vlog channel. I vlog every day. Just put up another vlog today. Usually, I put a vlog up before I put up a video. So go subscribe to my vlog channel and you can watch us at home in our natural element. And then you can come watch this video right after. But go subscribe to my natural hair channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, all of those. Oh, so good. Mmm. 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 I want to say a big thank you to everybody that has been emailing me to see if I was okay. Everybody, like, Nikocado, like, thank you so much. Y'all did not have to see if I was all right. Like, I really, really appreciate that. Like, I really do. But yeah, I'm good. I'm strong. Yeah. I got this. Got it, honey. It's the best burger ever, y'all. Like, literally ever. Y'all, I was totally going to do something else today. And when I went to the place, y'all, why was it closed? I was like, what? How y'all going to close? Y'all, I couldn't even believe it. I had never seen this place close a day in my life. Well, since I've been living out here. Mmm. Mmm. That is the best bite ever. We got everything in that bite. Pickles, onions, lettuce, tomatoes, meat, and mustard and bread. So good. Everyday video. Yeah. So good. I hope I didn't get no ketchup in my hair. Yeah, y'all. So how y'all like my hair? Yeah, I'm be putting this one on, y'all. I love it. Absolutely love it. Go to my Instagram to see my picture that I took with this on. It was so cute. I thought it was cute. Mmm. Y'all, I have a really fun video coming up for y'all tomorrow. Cannot wait to put it out. Oh, and y'all, please excuse me if it is not, I'm not going to be putting this video out on Saturday. It's probably going to be on Sunday. So please excuse me for what I told y'all in the beginning about being Saturday, because I'm pre-recording these videos. So, y'all will probably get this on Sunday. So happy Sunday. All right, so let's taste these. These are steak fingers, y'all. I had to let the flavor come through. I like this better than chicken fingers. Yeah, do I feel myself getting full? Oh my God, please no. That was so good. Y'all, it trips me out how many people comment under my videos and call me fake. Like, I just had to say something. Fake. What is fake? Like, what is fake? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, what's a fake YouTuber? Let me know in the comments. What is a fake YouTuber? Tell me, y'all. Because honestly, I don't know what a fake YouTuber is. It makes absolutely no sense. Okay? None. Delicious. Oh, it's so good. But it's not better than Sonic's cherry limeade when somebody knows how to make it. Like, yeah, I don't know what it is about Sonic cherry limeade. Like, that's the best cherry limeade ever. I'm talking about the drink, not the slush. Excuse me. Eat some more of this daggone ice cream before it melt all the way. Oh, and I can't remember the person that left me the link for the Real Housewives reunion, but it was what was it? It was a virus. It was infected. The link was infected with a virus. Thank God I still have my computer. And like when I noticed it, because it was jumping, and I noticed, and I hurried up and cut my computer off because it was saying your computer has been infected. And as soon as I heard that, y'all, these chunks, so good. Yeah, as soon as I heard that, I cut my computer off. I was like, dang, that's messed up. I hope that person didn't do that on purpose. But yeah, I still can't. I went to Mr. World Premiere and still cannot pull it up. I don't know what's going on. But I cannot pull up. I can't play any videos from there for some reason. This for you, Madison Killer. I hope you're watching, girl. I know you love sweets. Let me know in the comment section who loves mother flipping Dairy Queen, because it's one of my favorite places to eat, y'all. Like, Dairy Queen is like one of those like places that, like, when you're road tripping, like, you're gonna see a million of them. If you're in Texas, a million. I don't even know if they're outside of Texas, but I just know that ever since I've been living here and traveling in Texas, you always see them while you're on the road. Like, oh my God. Steak friend, so good. I love the taste on here. I can't even explain what it tastes like. So good though. I hear somebody downstairs. Hold on. This is insane. The crunch is insane. Y'all know it. Who wants a yummy bite of this onion ring? Take a yummy bite. I know a bit of it. It's okay. We can eat after each other. It's okay. Take a bite. It is okay. Yeah, y'all. So today I will be reading comments. But no. Oh, and let me let y'all know. I'm not giving nobody no more chances as far as comments go. If you write something slick or something disrespectful, I'm blocking you immediately. Like, I can't even. Like, you're gonna get blocked. You know, just if it's disrespectful, like, you can give your opinion about something as long as it's not disrespectful, y'all. Like, them comments is getting real. They getting real, okay? I don't know what it is, but a burger just tastes different when you have mustard on it. And my mom used to tell me this all the time. When she would get Whataburger when we were little, she would get Whataburger and she would get a mustard Whataburger. And we'd be like, a mustard Whataburger? Or she'd go to Burger King and get a mustard Whopper. I remember that vividly. And we just thought it was disgusting because she only wanted mustard on there. Because we like mayonnaise. But who likes mustard on their burger? Like, it gives it a twang, a spice. Like, it's so good. Y'all, this is so good. Yum. Like, they packed it with limes. Where the cherries at, though? It don't look like they gave me any cherries. Oh my God, it's so good. Y'all, am I gonna eat all of my food today? Can you believe it? So what are y'all doing this weekend? I don't know what we're doing, but I have to get out this house, like for real. And whoever follows the vlog, y'all coming with me. Like, I got to get out of here. I have to. You know, like, when you need to get out of the house, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all, I be in the house too much. Editing and, you know, just dealing with YouTube, period. Y'all, it can drive you nuts, for real. You know? And the kids just deserve to, you know, be out of the house, you know? And I have to stay in just because, you know, I'm always in, Marshall always in, you know what I'm saying? Like, because of what we do. But yeah, we just gotta figure something out because, let me see, we did the movies, we did Jumping World. I wish they had a skating ring here. Like, isn't that weird? Like, shouldn't everybody have a roller rink? That is the weird. I swear, if I ever got any money, like, that would be the first thing that I build is a skating ring. It would make so much money because my skating ring would be live. Like, we would have nothing but the jams, okay? It would be, like, decorated with, like, you know, in, like, disco theme. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about real disco. You know, disco balls, everything, you know? That's when I get some money. And yeah, y'all, don't let, like, to my ride or dies, please don't let anybody come over in the comments and tell y'all something about me, okay? Y'all should know me. Y'all should know me, okay? I just don't want anyone like influencing you guys or making y'all think a certain way about me. You know what I'm saying? Like, somebody's not even subscribed to my channel. They don't know nothing about me. You know? So delicious. And I've seen all of y'all suggestions, and I'm gonna make sure that I try to do some of them, most definitely. But there's a lot of suggestions. Yeah, y'all, today I had to go and take Amaya some wings and more. She wanted some wings and more for lunch, so I went and took her some. Lucky her, huh? Like, do y'all take y'all's kids lunch for lunch and stuff? Like, do y'all do that? Or just for special occasions? Because this was kind of special. I can't tell y'all what it is yet, but y'all will find out tomorrow. Yeah, y'all. I just wanted to eat something that I was craving today. Like, oh, it just really hit the spot, y'all. Like, for real. Do y'all like my makeup? Like, I went really, really simple, but I put some lashes on to make it, you know, you know. Oh, yeah, I'm getting full. So full. Like, I literally can't even finish this. I can't. All these iron rings, y'all. I'm so sorry. All right, y'all. Let's do this. Let's do it. All right, let me see if I can pull these down comments up. Okay, here we go. All right. So what's up, y'all? What you gotta say? Who's on the mic with Yummy Bites today? All right, so the first person on the mic is Ayana K, and she says, I love Amaya. Something about her personality. Yeah, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Jen Joy says, dang, I just had Arby's and spent $10. Would have gotten this if I would have seen this video first. That chicken looks delicious. I think Maya is so beautiful. She should model. And Leia is such a sweetheart. Loving the wig. Keep your head up, girl. It just means you are hitting the big time. Love you all. Thank you, girl. Thank you so, so much. I appreciate that. Yeah, do you know I tried to get Amaya to model when she was 13? Y'all, she was this big. She was a stick. She would have been perfect for modeling. Like, they would have loved her. I know they would have, but she wasn't into it, y'all. Trust me, she's not into modeling. Not at all. Reezy Greg says, I'm craving KFC now, LOL. Javiana says, can y'all wear 2 braids and slay y'all's edges? I'll tell Lele that, girl, but I ain't wearing 2 braids. I would look ridiculous. Like, would I even look right with 2 braids? I think I would. I don't know. Would it fit my face shape? What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Pseudo says, hey girl, I know you get a lot of negativity, but unfortunately that's the culture of the internet, or most things for that matter. Usually the ones who have no problems are the ones who don't say anything, and the trolls are the ones who do. Just remember, there are always supporters, or you wouldn't have the number of subscribers that you do. On another note, I like the car mukbangs, but you don't really get the full experience as when you are at home with your setup. If you don't want to wear makeup, don't. Girl, I know. Remember, it's your channel. Put on a wig and some accessories and it'll be just great. I know that's right, girl. Put on a wig and some accessories. Girl, you are funny. Yeah, I get what you're saying, though. I get you, girl. Let's see. Devarsh says from 33 minutes, y'all. Okay, that last video, I messed up in my editing somewhere, y'all, and the video cut off at 33 minutes, but it went for 48. Okay, so just ignore that. It was just an error on my part with my editing. That's all it was. Terrell says, hey sis, you're one of my favorite. Please continue making the world smile. Keep it pushing. Unfortunately, haters come with the game. Stars and singers deal with millions of haters, but they continue their God-given gift in making their fans happy. God gave you a special gift, and you have discovered that gift. Continue to spread your wings and keep flying. You have become that butterfly. Oh, thank you, Terrell. That is so sweet. I appreciate that. Shanisha says, I just comment and like before I watch. LOL. Thank you, girl. Madison Killer says, when I used to eat KFC as a kid, I used to get the double zinger and the large fries and Coke, and I would eat it and other things. I used to love those burgers before I changed my diet up. Love you guys. Love you too, girl. Like, I had never had a zinger. I thought that was like totally new for KFC. Like, I didn't know like it like came back. I thought it was new. I never even knew that they had that. But Mare Bear 68 says, girl, it's 93 degrees here in Florida. Ugh, girl, 93 degrees. That is amazing, girl. You could be on the beach. Are you serious? Like, we are waiting to put up Jaden's pool. Like, Jaden has this pool that his daddy bought him for his birthday. And we are just waiting for it to be hot enough. You know what I'm saying? Not hot, not the sun shining with a cool breeze. You know what I'm saying? Hot. And it is not there yet. Not just yet. You know what I'm saying? David Jones says, I like it to a certain Ratchility. You are a fool. Love your videos. But when is Murder Show gonna be back? He is hilarious. He'll be back tomorrow, y'all. Yes, tomorrow. Hunter says, just recently subscribed and I love your videos. You and your family seem so sweet. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Lakeria says, I never really went to KFC like that. Me either, girl. But they food looked good. It was good, okay? At least try that. I don't care too much for their chicken at all. For some reason, every time I eat their chicken, my stomach hurts afterwards. I don't know why, but it does. Young Chu says, Yummy's nail... Wait a minute. What? Girl. Okay. Blue Hub says, they be mad at you for taking too long to eat. They face be too funny. LOL. I know, but it's certain things that I have to do in my video. You know what I'm saying? Like, Nene says, I love KFC and I also love you guys. Thank you. Kyrat15 says, can you please do a Mac Chicken McDonald's mukbang, please? We'll see. We'll see. Case Creation says, oh, that looks good. That hair of yours is just too cute. LOL. Hope you and the family are doing well. Love y'all. Love you too, girl. Don says, I love that you love everything you eat. I'm the same way. Really? Like, I do. I love almost everything I eat. I don't love everything I eat because everything I eat isn't good. You know what I'm saying? But most of the stuff be delicious. I don't know the rest of your name. I'm so sorry because it's not showing me. Says, Amaya's personality is amazing. She is very humble and don't do too much. Most importantly, she always shows strong positivity and never once comes off negative or disrespectful. Good job, Yummy. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love Shell says, here. What's up, girl? Janae Virgo says, Zingers have been on Jamaica's KFC menu forever. They are amazing here. Love your vids, by the way. Thank you, girl. Like, I know I was tripping, like, because they didn't have it at my KFC, but they brought it back. So maybe they just have it on the menu at some KFCs, like, all the time, and some, you know, just keep bringing it back, you know. Naomi Riva says, I love your hair so much. Thank you so much. Javette Farrar says, hey guys, I never comment, but I love you guys, especially Jaden. I work one-on-one with kids that have autism. You guys rock. And Murder Show is hilarious. If you guys have a Olive Garden, try their soups. They are really delicious. Don't worry about the haters. Everyone has a job to do. I know that's right, girl. I know that is mother flipping right. Girl, I had Olive Garden. I had some soups. Girl, I already know, honey. I had that gnocchi one. Oh, my God. That is amazing. Like, I can get that again, most definitely. Ruby Red says, always stay close to your girls. Y'all's relationship is envious. I wish I had that relationship with my dad. You're a great parent. Thank you, girl. I try my best. Trust me. I try my best. Mackenzie says, Lele needs to stop letting everything bother her. Them kids just jealous of her. You know what? And I try to explain that to Leia, but I think she's just too young to get it. You know what I'm saying? She's too young to get it. Like, she wears her feelings on her shoulders. Like, when I tell you that she can get her feelings hurt really, really easily. And it's unfortunate that, she's like that because those kids can bother her very, very easily, So she'll learn, though. She'll learn in due time. She really will. West Snow says, I was eating spaghetti and 100% whole wheat bread. My mom used to make us eat 100% whole wheat bread when we was little. Oh, my God. We hated it so much. We used to love going to my grandmother's house because she had all that white bread and it was thick. I think it was that Wonder Bread. It was real thick and squishy and soft. Oh, my God. I used to love that bread. Lamaya says, I love Leia because she acts so much like me. Jayla Ford says, OMG, I love you and your daughters. And what age is Amaya and what grade is she in? Maya is 15 and she's in the 10th grade. Marcelina says, hi, beautiful ladies. That Zinger's chicken sandwich looks so bomb. Gotta try them. You and the girls are looking gorgeous as always. Hope you and the family are doing well. Also, have a good weekend. Love you, family. Love you too, girl. You have a good weekend too. Love from May. Love from A. I think they. What did the girl in the red say that made the mom say she would take it out? Oh my God. The kids were arguing. That's what it was. They were just arguing. Holly Carter says, have you ever eaten anything you didn't like in your videos? Yes. Yes. Alosa Serta says, can somebody please tell me what song is that? Who sings that? Which song are you talking about? And also, just to let y'all know, I put the songs in the description box. So just go and check there. All the songs on my video are in the description box, except for my original song, the Mukbang song. Y'all know that's mine. Crystal B says, there is like 10 minutes of nothing at the end of the video. Yeah, I know. That was my mistake. Riot says 85 degrees where she is. Rakayla says, try the 20-piece boneless wings from Church's. Ashley says, I live in Florida and right now it's 4:33 p.m. and currently 92 degrees. But the real feel on my phone says it feels more like 96 degrees Fahrenheit. It's hot as hell here. LOL. Oh, that's good. That's nice. DSA Dancer says, I ate oatmeal. Let's see. Coco the model says, hey, Miss Yummy Bites, I enjoyed your video. You and your two beautiful baby girls. Stay beautiful, and I'll be always watching. You always make me smile, and I always be hungry looking at you eat. Y'all go follow Coco the model. She has a channel that she just opened up. Y'all go follow her. Baddie Mirror TV says, can I get a shout out? Shout out to Baddie Mirror TV. Hamna says, please do a poutine video. I wanted to do one, but we do not have that out here. Like, I would have to make it, and we don't even have that squishy cheese that y'all use. We don't have it, and I want to do it the right way. I don't want to substitute cheese and do all that and have people coming for me because it ain't right. So, you know, maybe somebody will come out with some poutine dish out here one day. I don't know. The Black Nuna says, girl, I'm eating these wings from Walmart. They're so good, especially their potato wedges. You should do food from there one day. Love you, ladies. Love you too, girl. That's a good idea. I think I am. I think I will. Brianna says, you should do Popeyes. Ashley says, by the way, the temperature here is 15 degrees. What? Oh, where are you? Like, seriously? Oh, my gosh. Osayama Osa says, hey, Yummy Bites TV, food looking good. I love your natural hair. Tell your family I said, hi, love you, girl. Love you too, girl. It wasn't my natural hair. It was a wig. A Tropical says, I'm eating fried chicken wings with spinach and rice. Yum. Brighton says, oh, my, you make me so happy. You all do. Thank you. Paula says, I live in Spartanburg, South Carolina, and it's 82 degrees today. Ooh, that sounds real nice. Really nice. Brighton also says, oh my, are you doing the hot... What? I don't get that one. Brighton also says, I love your hair. It is wonderful. Thank you. Jen Joy says, LOL, asking you on camera. They know. Okay. They know what they doing. They not crazy. But thank God I'm not crazy either. Okay. Ashley says, girl, that looks amazing. Can I ask what song is in the slow-mo? I really like it. Now, the slow-mo, that is, that's in the description box too. But it's a song from the YouTube library. The YouTube music. Brighton also says, can I ask you something? You like one big comment or lots of comments? Please, I like to talk with you as the video is playing. Do whatever you want, okay? Whatever you want, I promise. Let's see. Javiana says, hi, what's up, girl? Anna says, love KFC. Patrice says, Amaya's first bite reaction, I love it. I need to watch it back over because I can't remember. Happy Miss Nappy says, LOL at Ratchility. I'm eating pizza with you guys. Yes, sis. Brighton says, give me some of that chicken, you all. I know that's right. That chicken was looking good. Y'all see that big old piece of chicken? Oh, my God. Don B says that sandwich looks delicious. Definitely not short on chicken. Okay. Yum. Love strawberry lemonade. My fave. You ladies look beautiful. Thanks again for the hilarious slow-mo and video. Have a blessed day. P.S. Can you do a Texas Roadhouse sometimes? Thanks. You know, I have actually been avoiding doing Texas Roadhouse because my experience there when I was in Houston, when I went there for the first time and had hair in my food, it was cooked into my food, y'all. It was so disgusting. Like, I couldn't believe it, y'all. And then they were giving me a hard time about it. Like it was my hair and they knew it wasn't mine. They knew it wasn't mine. Amanda says, tell me why my child be singing your mukbanging song, LOL. We may not comment all the time, but we definitely watch your videos, LOL. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Oh, that's so cute. Samantha says, hey, what's up, girl? Nija says, I'm glad to see all the kids together with you. Loving you and Maya's hair. Thank you. Maya Miller says, I love your channel so much. Thank you so much. Okay, and that is it, y'all. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I couldn't even do it. Like, I'm so full, it's unreal. And I still need to finish this. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to do what? Thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you haven't already for everyday videos. Every day. Oh my God. Please thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you haven't already for everyday videos. Everyday videos. All right. And I will see you guys on tomorrow. Peace. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love y'all. Bye. Oh my God. Let me take another one of these pills because I'm not playing with myself today. This is so good. Y'all, I didn't tell y'all, after I drank that my unicorn frappe drink that I made, y'all, I was so sick. I got so sick, y'all. And I took pills and everything, but I got sick. That's why I'm hoping that this don't make me sick. Yeah, but I'm filming this on a Friday. So happy mother flipping Friday. Happy mother flipping Friday. Oh, my hair isn't covering up the mic. Oh my God, so good. Mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang. Oh, we hangin', we bang, oh, we bangin'.